Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to change the background on your laptop. Okay, so let's get started right now. So what you want to do, guys, right click in the screen, just click right click here, and as you can see here, you will see here this. You want to scroll down a little bit and click personalize, like you see here, personalize. Okay, just click it, and here you can choose any picture from the Windows. They offer four pictures if you are using Windows 10. And make sure it's in the background. Okay, just click background, and as you can see here, you will see here four different the pictures. You can also change colors when you click the Windows button here. You can choose the way you see it when you click on colors. You can choose any color. For example, I'm going to choose pink. I like pink colors, and as you can see here, guys, it's changed to pink. As you can see here, the Windows, it's pink now. If you want to change it to blue, you can always change it to blue whenever you want. For example, I'm going to change it to blue, and as you can see here, guys, it's changed to blue. But I recommend, guys, downloading the background on Google. Just search for free Windows background on Google, and then click images in the top, and you can see here a lot of images to choose from. For example, if you want this image, you just or this image, you just want to right click in the picture itself, right click, and then click save as, and as you can see here, click save again, and now you have the picture on your PC. You can use it as a background. You can just right click in the picture itself and set it as a wallpaper, okay, on your laptop. If this video helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.